Getting ready to replace the wheels on my 210. Hopefully it's gonna be nice and you guys enjoy it. So look at this thing. Look at both of these beauties right there. Right, I'm gonna grab my jack, all the other stuff. So I can, this is the turn signal that I have to replace as well. It's working, but it doesn't click back when you turn it on, like when you turn the steering wheel. So I'm gonna have to get into that and see what's up. So anyways, I need my 17mm, of course, if I can find it anywhere now. Okay, let me just grab this jack first. Jack, and then this guy is a little heavy. Try take it out. Okay, now of course this thing, the rubber piece, important. Dude, I think it's gonna look so nice. Holy shit. I'm sorry for saying bad words, guys. Usually I don't do that, but this thing is gonna look good. I just hope it's not gonna rub, that's all. Anyways, let's try it. Put this aside. Yes, I know I'm not using a jack stand now, but I'm not going under the car. It's just a quick swap of the wheel, so it's gonna be fine. Also need to inspect my spring perch. Before leaving, like 4 months ago, I put like fluid film on it. So we're gonna see if it's still there. It's still good. Let's inspect this baby up. Oh, look at that. Wow. The fluid film is still wet. See how good it is? It's like oil. It protects this thing like crazy. This thing is awesome. I love this thing. This is so cool. Just make sure tie rod boots are good. She is good. Yeah, swiveling is still okay. Just a little bit of cracks on that rubber, but still good. Pads are good. So here's the original wheel. She looks good in those wheels. I just don't know. I think she's still gonna rub. It doesn't seem like it's touching. There is some clearance right there. There is clearance need the control arm, the knuckle on the wheel. So I think it's gonna be good. We try to turn it the other way. Guys, I'm really excited. Yeah, so doing this side now. Yeah. I'm just missing a center cap. Here's the other side. As you can see, it's all nicely lubricated. I like it. It's a really... Let's check how stuff is doing here. Pads were replaced. I remember replacing these pads. Brake hose, kind of. Yeah guys, looks really nice. Sweet. Alright guys, so here's the package for my dad, kind of a big one. I'm shipping it to him, and guess what's inside of it? Yes, you guess, most of it is car parts for his 420 SEL, and just some other things that I bought him, you know. So yeah, I'm shipping this thing today, and he's gonna receive it. And there's a couple other things like like car detailing kits, all that stuff. So he's gonna be excited, I think. I miss driving this car. You have no idea. Yeah. So anyways, I just figured that stuff out with the package. The package is being shipped. He's supposed to probably get it in like maybe 3 weeks or 2 weeks. So then right now I'm just gonna probably go home, and I'm gonna change the wheels. I'm gonna see how the wheels work, how they fit and all that stuff. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know if you guys saw in any of my videos. I don't even know if I posted that or not, but there's wheels that I bought for this car, but they actually work on the 126 as well, and other Mercedes. They're Mercedes original wheels from W211 chassis, and they're 17-inch. So these are the ones that I have right now. They're 16s, and I'm gonna be putting the 17s on. So I think they're gonna look so nice. So can't wait to see how it looks. Snow, snow, snow.
That's not that hard. Should be easy.
It's just like very little room, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I know. Well, I did on like one of the cars I was working on the Honda. I had to replace the sway bar bushings and I had to drop the subframe, so a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, for those cars.
Because there's no space. You can't get to the bolts.
So that's really good.
What?
Damn, bro, he just passed my house. Oh, dude, honestly, I was just looking at the snow and shit, and it looks really nice.
Such a gopnik.
Dude, I'm honestly high as fuck. Like, really subtle. Really subtle. But I'm just like, I just feel so different, dude. I look, I didn't even feel the seatbelt. I reached for it again. That's so funny. Like, oh shit. This is awesome. There's so many cars I want. This thing's making me want an E-Class already. Seriously. I want one of those. I want the W210s.
Oh yeah, those are amazing. I love those. Yeah.
What the hell is that? See? I don't fucking know what those are.
That's what you need to learn, bro.
The one
You need to
against
learn
the
the
E34,
chassis.
the E-Class of the late 80s, early 90s. The boxy one. That had the E500.
If you show me a picture, I'll know exactly.
I'll show you a 500D. Because it's just beautiful.
And it's weird. I'll probably know what year it is. Like